Disclaimer. This podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting or changing any health-related treatments or protocols. ACE-031 is a peptide that has drawn interest in the world of performance and therapeutic research. It is a synthetic, experimental protein designed to interact with myostatin, a natural regulator in the body that restricts muscle growth. Myostatin is like the brakes on your body's ability to build muscle, and ACE-031 was engineered to temporarily reduce the effect of those brakes. The result researchers were aiming for was an increase in muscle size and strength, especially for people suffering from muscle-wasting conditions such as muscular dystrophy or age-related muscle decline. Early studies in both animals and humans suggested that blocking myostatin could lead to significant muscle growth, better strength, and improved body composition. However, it is important to note that ACE-031 never became an approved drug. Development was stopped after early clinical trials due to concerns about safety and side effects. While initial results showed muscle mass gains, there were also signs of issues such as nosebleeds, gum bleeding, and changes in vascular health. These raised red flags and prevented it from moving forward as a therapy. Even though it was discontinued, the concept of myostatin inhibition remains a hot area of research. Other molecules and strategies are being studied to see if muscle-wasting diseases can be treated without harmful side effects. For bodybuilders and athletes, ACE-031 is sometimes mentioned in underground discussions, but it is not legally available as a medication, and its long-term effects in humans remain unknown. In short, ACE-031 highlights both the promise and the risks of trying to manipulate muscle growth pathways. The science behind it is exciting because it points to a potential way of helping those who suffer from debilitating muscle loss, but it also shows why careful testing and regulation are critical before any compound can be considered safe. Disclaimer. This podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting or changing any health-related treatments or protocols. Thanks for listening, keep learning, and stay curious.